Our planet Earth started as a cloud of dust and gas. Imagine a giant cloud swirling around a young star, our sun. Gravity pulled this dust and gas together. Over millions of years, the cloud shrank and spun faster. The center became hot and dense, eventually igniting into our sun. The leftover material, the dust and gas, clumped together to form the planets, including our own. Earth, 4.5 billion years ago, was a hot, molten ball. It was nothing like the planet we know today. There were no oceans, no atmosphere, just a fiery ball of rock. Volcanoes erupted across the young Earth's surface, spewing lava and gases. These gases, including water vapor, carbon dioxide, and nitrogen, formed the Earth's first atmosphere. As Earth cooled, the water vapor in the atmosphere condensed. Torrential rains fell for millions of years, forming the first oceans. These early oceans were hot and acidic, a stark contrast to the life-giving waters we know today.
In the depths of these early oceans, something remarkable happened. Life emerged. Simple, single-celled organisms like bacteria arose from the primordial soup. These early life forms were incredibly tough, able to withstand the harsh conditions of early Earth. These early organisms were extremophiles, thriving in environments that would be deadly to most life today. They used chemicals like sulfur for energy, and their existence marked the beginning of life's long journey. Section 4, From Simple to Complex. Over billions of years, life in the oceans evolved. Single-celled organisms gave rise to multi-celled organisms, a pivotal step in the history of life. These early life forms were simple, resembling jellyfish or worms, but their emergence paved the way for greater complexity. Life exploded in the oceans, with a diversity of plants and animals evolving. From the smallest plankton to giant sea creatures, the oceans became teeming with life. This period, known as the Cambrian explosion, was a time of unprecedented biological innovation.
Section 5. Out of the trees. Life eventually made its way from the oceans to land. Plants colonized the land first, followed by animals. Among these early land dwellers were the ancestors of all mammals, including us. These early mammals were small, shrew-like creatures living in the shadow of the dinosaurs. But the extinction of the dinosaurs around 66 million years ago opened up new opportunities for mammals to evolve and diversify. Section 6. The toolmakers. One group of primates, our ancestors, evolved to walk upright. These early hominids, like Australopithecus, lived in Africa. They walked on two legs, freeing their hands to use tools. Another crucial step was the development of larger brains. Homo habilis, meaning handy man, appeared around 2 million years ago. They were the first to make and use simple stone tools, a sign of their growing intelligence.
Section 7. The global species. Homo sapiens, our species, emerged in Africa around 300,000 years ago. We were not the only humans on Earth at the time, but we were the ones who would eventually populate the globe. We developed sophisticated tools, language, and art. We migrated out of Africa, spreading to every corner of the world. We learned to control fire, cultivate crops, and build civilizations. From our humble beginnings as stardust, we have become the dominant species on Earth.